Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel. I think you are using Windows Notepad. But did you know this simple text editor hides some cool features most users have never even heard of? In today's video, we are going to show you 3 awesome Notepad tricks that you can start using right now. Feature 1. Log function. This one is super handy if you want to keep track of your activities or just need a quick way to add timestamps. To do this, open Notepad and type .log using capital letters. Now, every time you open this file, Notepad will automatically add the current date and time at the end. It's perfect for creating a simple journal, logbook, or keeping track of notes over time. Feature 2. Customizing header and footer. Did you know you can customize the header and footer when printing from Notepad? It's a little-known feature, but it's incredibly useful. You can type anything you want in these boxes, but here's a neat trick. You can use special codes for dynamic content, and I'll mean left content, and V for date, and T for time, and C for center content, and F for file name, and R for right content, and P for page name. Let's check this with Print Preview. Feature 3. Notepad/.setup common. First, open the terminal or CMD and type notepad/.setup command. This command opens Notepad as an executable. This command can actually launch a custom setup wizard. While this feature isn't widely used today, it's a fun way to explore how Notepad was once integrated with older setup processes. To close this, you have to open Task Manager and find Notepad background process. If you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more cool tech tips. Thanks for watching.